Yes, blessed good morning, my beautiful family, So, me get a little package from our next YouTuber. Yeah, we fall in love with my spearfishing adventure, So, donate this little package to me, say it's underwater camera, So, I just go open it and see what it is. Oh, so this is what it is, guys. Nice underwater camera. Yeah, and it was donated to me by Tiamak. You know, Tiamak first. You know, Tiamak first. Yeah. So look, nice camera, I like the lens part of it. Seems to be the lens seems to capture thing wide, by the look of it. Yeah. So that's it. And also our next one was donated to me by a friend, one of my subscribers also. Is Nash, another diver. Yeah, so just wanna say enough respect, for the kindness, my family. Yeah, blessed. And also I wanna give a big shout out to Ivanity Star TV. Trust me, you did it. You did a good job. And also want to say a big shout out to Jamaican Mixmaster. Yeah, and a next big shout out to Jamaica Wildlife. Career Spearfishing Adventure. Yeah. Yeah, so also I want to give a big shout out to Bullseye TV. Yeah, man, just go over and check out them channel. Check out Ivanity Star TV channel. Yeah, man. He's the one who give me a lot of help. Yeah, man, with this channel. Yeah, man. So I want you guys to go over and check out her. Tell her Spearfishing with Odette sent you over. Yeah, and go over also and check out Tiamak person. Yeah, and Mixmaster too. Check out Mixmaster channel. He might go on with a bag of thing over there, well for mix up. For y'all who love the mix up juice, he's a mixologist, so just go over and show him some love. Check out his channel. Yeah, man. And check out Jamaican Wildlife, Jamaica Wildlife. Yeah, go over and check out his channel. It's another spearfishing channel, He's the one who taught me about this channel, YouTube channel, to start a YouTube channel. Yeah. So big respect to him also, And I want to say thank you guys, each and every one of you who make this channel reach this far, Enough love and respect. A beautiful family, I really appreciate your love. Yeah, man, so I just want to say thanks to all my returning subscriber and all my new subscriber, and thanks to who have not subscribed as yet. You don't know? Yeah, man, enough respect. Bless up. Yes, I also want to say, me there our time now. 4:45 in the morning, Just me there, say I'm about to head off to the airport, You don't know. You did expect to get a call, but eventually it just come at me so sudden, So you don't know what we have to do, what we have to do, We did expect it, but we never expect it this sudden. So eventually I'm about to head off to the airport now, guys, Yeah. So and you guys will get video won't stop coming, Video will keep on coming. I don't know. All the adventure, the outside cooking, Yeah, the underwater video. Yeah. Yeah, man, you can tune in same way, man. You don't know. Remember, you have your boy Twinny, you have your boy Bob. You don't know. It's a team of we, you know. Yes, man, you know. So, yeah, I make a one run go cross on the Canada side, you know. It's an emergency call, you know. So, we just have to do what we have to do. You know, see family. Yeah, man, remember that one, yeah? King Dumpling. Yeah, man. So, real king, this is not King Dumpling, yeah? Yeah, man. Good for link up back with the King Dumpling, you know? Yeah, man. As Mr. Family is just an emergency move, you know? Yeah, man. So, hope you guys understand, you know? Yeah, man. And still show the love and the appreciation, you know? Like always, you know? Remember, one family, you know? Not change. Spearfishing with Odin, you know? Bless up. Family, you know, prepare for landing in Toronto, Canada, you know. This is a nice and beautiful view, you know. Yeah, that go on for water go on, you know. Yeah, man. Right, me say welcome to Toronto, Canada. Yeah. Beautiful views, my beautiful family, you know. Yeah, man, so you know, say a boy then and a little tour, you know, and a little journey in Canada, you know. Yeah, so drop your comments down below and tell me what you think about it. Yeah. Like the view King Dumpling.
Yeah. Oh, the view nice.
Nice enough family, you know. This is what it look like for all of those who have never seen what it look like. I'd say only in Toronto, Canada here, or Canada, or this is what it look like in a foreign country. All of those is all house. It's different from back home in Jamaica, you know. It's a different settings, different everything. You know, everything about it here is different. All those green grass, you know, beautiful. Like I said, just a touchdown, you know, Toronto here, so, you know.
Oh, we don't know. The airport, you know.
Yeah, man, so we approach the land, you know.
Careful when opening overhead bins, as the contents may have shifted with the movement.
Approaching gate, you know.
We remind you that it is forbidden to smoke until you are in a
Long journey
designated
to reach
smoking
the
area.
gate, cause this
If you
airport
require
is a
assistance to
very,
keep
very
going,
big,
please advise the cabin crew.
huge airport.
Nous vous demandons de demeurer assis
Yeah,
avec
man.
votre ceinture attachée
This
et
is
vos
like
bagages à main bien rangés. Vous
Maybe,
pourrez maintenant utiliser votre téléphone cellulaire.
maybe
Une
50
fois la
times the
consigne de
size of
ceinture de
Jamaican
sécurité
airport.
éteinte, vous pourrez vous lever sans danger.
Yeah.
Si vous nous quittez ici, veuillez prendre tout.
Yeah, man. Approach the gate, like they say. And take our time. Still. Yeah. That's all gone. WestJet. Yeah, so we finally reach the gate, but finally reach the gate, family, but we're not going to come off of the plane, you know, due to how days the good thing we are going, you know. Yeah, so we just go fluid up and head back, head up in the air, and we're going head off to Vancouver, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, family, on our journey again, you know. Take our back here now, you know. Head on down to Vancouver, you know. Vancouver is our final destination. Yeah, man, so you hit the runway. Night a fall fast by. Up and after Vancouver, you know, you know. Yeah, blessed good morning, my beautiful family. Yeah, January, you know, I did want get you guys some footage of when me actually arrive at my destination, which is Vancouver, Canada. But unfortunately, it never happened because my phone battery end up dying on me. So hope you guys understand, you know what I mean? So I give a piece of my lifestyle, you know, how it go on a year to year with me, you know? Yeah, so but I go eventually. I never even me did want to get some footage of when me even arrive at the hotel from enter the bus. So upon when me arrive, upon when me enter, upon me enter the room. But as I say, unfortunately my battery die on me, so here am I now, actually inside the room. So I'm just gonna give you a quick run through, or you know, make you guys see what it is like. And remember, it's a 5-star hotel, you know. So your boy Oden gonna live some 5-star life, my family. Yes, so drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about this, you know. Yeah, man, blessed. Yeah. So I go on. Yeah man. Live some five-star life up in here, you know. So that I show this everything I saw. Don't know everything in here, shampoo, condition and lotion, you know. I have some face soap here, so, and some bath bars. You don't know, towel for wipe off face and brush teeth and wash face, you know. Yeah man. More towel and stuff for dry off same way. Yeah man. Like me say, conditioner, shampoo and body lotion, you know. But you know, blow dry this, but you know me not no ear for blow out. Yeah man. So this is my bathroom, you know. Yeah man. All up in here, you know. You guys understand, you know, because I'm tired and things. You know, so me there 5-star life, you know. 2 big bed in a 1 room. And watch what I go on. No joke when I say 5-star. You see what I go on, that's up people. Welcome audience small. Thank you for staying at Sheraton Hotel. See what I go on? We have everything there somehow. We have things to make. We have things to make my tea, my coffee, you know. I have a nice microwave so. Microwave so there. Warm up food. My nice thing there so there. Nice kettle. All safe there so. Yeah. Store of paper, your money, anything. Little fridge or so. One juice in there, no put nothing in there yet, you know. Yeah man. Everything there. Everything there for my comfort, you know. I can relax. Same way if I don't want to on a bed. Watch where I go. I'm going to a view outside, and the outside, the 5-star life, you know. And this is the view, the outside view. Yeah man. That is the next wing of the hotel, you know. That is another side. I'm be there on one side, same thing, you know. Some more hotel over there the same way, but you don't know, more local than this one. Nice view, you know. Yeah man, me love the energy. Love what I go on. You see me, so like me, so just drop a comment down below and tell me what you think, you know. Yeah man, tell me what you think, family. So I go on, everything up. Yeah man. That's how the thing said. Yes man, so thanks for watching. Yeah man. And I'm really appreciate so much the love and support so far, my family, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah man, and I want you to go over to Vanity Star TV and show her some love, you know what I mean? Give her some real love. And Tia McPherson, Jamaican Mixmaster, Jamaica Wildlife, Chris Spearfishing, yeah, Anthony Spearfishing with dust, you know? Yeah, enough respect, my family. Yeah man, just make them know sir how they sent to know over, you know what I mean? Blessed. Yes, my beautiful family. There we there, you know? Yeah man. And I just want to send a big shout out to Life with the Blight. Yeah man. in a real life. Cashin and Jay. A nice couple them, real couple them, I tell you. Yeah man, just go over to Life with the Blights and tell them spearfishing with audience sent you over, you know. Show them some love, deliver the package. Yeah man, real package, family. You know? Enough respect every time.